Okay, then hi guys, welcome to Bollywood Bubble Live. This is your host Trishti Pathak, and today it's going to be Chahat Khanna joining us. In case you have any questions for her, please do let me know, and I shall ask her. Hi Simran Khanna, it's going to be Chahat Khanna joining us. Hello, so
Yes.
tell me, the lockdown has been extended, and we are all going to be locked up for another long time now. So,
Yeah.
what are your plans? What are you going to do at home?
Um, I'm just doing this to my phone for now. Lockdown is extended, and we have at least 18 more days to go.
Right.
And I think I am going to take up a challenge of losing more inches. So something like
Okay.
that.
Okay, okay. So how are you managing to lose the inches that you have already? What workouts are you doing at home?
No, I am not doing any workout at home, and I am very lazy when it comes to workout. So
Oh,
अब तक तो मैंने कुछ नहीं किया है. Since yesterday I've started doing planks and just floor exercising and all of that. So I think doing the household chores is also good kind of a workout.
right, right. So I basically this question is not coming from me, but there's a lot of fan questions in every second line. Everybody
Yeah.
wants to know what's it with Nika, so we all want to know what's it with Nika.
What's up with Mika? The single is already out
Yeah, yeah.
and it just came out today, and that's it. It was a promotion, and that's how we had promoted it, and we had shared stories and all of that. So that's it. There's nothing more.
So how was the experience? I mean, how was the experience of working on this project? Because it's a lockdown and having a release in this while you cannot promote
Yeah,
your song, actually go out and promote. So
yeah,
how has it been for you?
yeah. So we couldn't go out and promote, but the response has been really good so far because there is nothing what is happening during this lockdown and quarantine. So this is something a good time for us to do something like that. But at the same time, it's sad also. But yeah, it's kind of good. So we still made a use of this time and did something lucrative out of it.
So, tell me, Chatsana, you are somebody who's following the rules and staying at home. And so are we. And a lot of people, almost 80% of people are listening to, this
Hmm.
entire procedure because
Hmm.
it's a pandemic out there. But there's still a lot of
Yes,
people who are playing outside. What would you say to them? Because,
there are
oh,
there are a
yeah,
lot of
yeah.
people who am not able to, yes,
There's
something
a
like that.
little
Just
network error,
bear with
network
me.
error.
Yeah, that's what I am.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
just bear
yeah.
with me. This is better. Yeah, this is better.
Yeah, it's
Now
better
it's
now.
better,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
So बहुत सारे लोग बाहर निकल रहे हैं, बहुत से बाहर घूम रहे हैं, which is not really appropriate to do at this time. Increase हो रहा है, बढ़ रहा है. So few people like we all are left in our houses.
Cut. Not audible.
You can't hear? You can't hear me?
नहीं नहीं अटक अटक के आ रहा है. It's cracking up.
Better?
Say something.
Uh, yeah. Is it better now?
Yeah, yeah, better now. Yeah, yeah.
So yeah, because of these kind of people, yeah, we are locked inside our houses. हम सब एक साथ locked हैं, पूरी India locked है. Uh, one 133 crore people are locked in their houses because of few thousands of people. So I think we should get together, all of us, and be in the house for a minimum amount of time, what we all can, like a week or 10 days, so that once and for all we do not have to continue dragging this lockdown. You know what I mean?
I know, right? So when you got to know about the pandemic, that there's something like coronavirus coming in the country and worldwide, in fact, and it's killing people, and we have to be locked up. It's like so surreal. What was your reaction? Did you believe it?
नो आई वाज लाइक कि नहीं ये तो फॉरेन में है हमारे तक अब तक पहुंचा नहीं है ऑल ऑफ दैट सो आई वाज टेकिंग इट वेरी इजी व्हाट एवरी वन ऑफ अस डिड पर धीरे धीरे जैसे टाइम निकलते गया वी केम टू नो दैट दिस इज रियली सीरियस and then we were like okay fine this is something different maybe it's a biochemical war maybe it's what we don't know but we just have to be indoors.
So, talking about being locked up, are you locked up alone or do you have helping hands who can help you in cooking and cleaning?
No, I have my staff in the house. I have two people because I have a full-time staff. So that way I'm quite blessed. I have two full-time nannies and the staff in the house. So, but still, I prefer to do my own household chores, except bartan and all. Dishes, cleaning dishes, because I break my nails in that. So I don't do that. But when it comes to mopping and all, I am doing on my own because it keeps you fit, you know. That's what I believe.
So, talking about cooking, did you try your hands on making something this while?
Yes, yesterday I made pizza. Before that, I had made something else. I think pasta. I'm trying everything. So I usually also I cook, and I like cooking. I cook very well. But now also I'm doing it. So yesterday I made the pizza from the scratch with the dough and everything, the wheat flour pizza. So yeah, it
Wow.
was like the Italian wheat-based pizza. So
Okay, so for example, if you have to review your pizza today, how would you explain it to us?
review. So I made a wheat flour base thin crust pizza with of course mozzarella and Italian pizza with a lot of fresh basil and um, combination of vegetables with bell pepper and broccoli and crispy vegetables which was sauteed completely um, not completely like which was sauteed a little in a pan and olive oil and fresh olive oil from Sicily Italy, which is quite exotic, which I have, which I love. And yeah, so that's how I made my pizza. And it was quite good, crunchy, and very refreshing, very nice, healthy at the same time. So, yeah.
Okay, now that's mouth watering. So once the lockdown goes off, I will literally request you to give me a bite of that pizza as well.
Yeah.
Okay, so tell me, is this lockdown thingy easy breezy for you or is it getting difficult? Do you miss going out?
Everyone does. यार क्या क्वेश्चन है ये मतलब ये बहुत बुरा वाला क्वेश्चन है everyone is missing going out and I am missing my girls time my office I'm missing the most missing working the most I'm missing my workouts see workouts से वैसे भी घर पे भी हो सकते हैं okay but I'm missing my office my work and shopping and my girls time with my friends.
So, because of this coronavirus, a lot of work, a lot of films and everything has taken a break and has been put aside so that you can continue later. Is there anything जो आप कर रहे थे जो आपको साइड में रखना पड़ा अभी के लिए?
हाँ मेरे 3 प्रोजेक्ट्स स्टार्ट हो रहे थे जो डिले हो गए हैं अब आई थिंक अगस्त सितंबर में वी विल स्टार्ट अगेन बट एटलीस्ट द ग्राउंड वर्क इज स्टार्टेड द ग्राउंड वर्क इज ऑलरेडी हैपनिंग बट वी कैन नॉट हिट द फ्लोर बिफोर मे बी सितंबर बट जहाँ तक वो ऑन फ्लोर जाना चाहिए था जून में नाउ वी आर टारगेटिंग सितंबर समवेयर अराउंड सितंबर अक्टूबर सो या दे बीन डिलेड ऑल ऑफ दैट.
So before we connected you to this live chat, there was a fan who wanted to know your skincare secrets at home. So what have you been doing? Are you also using haldi, besan, and all of that?
No, I don't use that. I don't do much to my skin. I am blessed with good skin, touch wood. But nowadays, since few days, I've started getting breakouts. You see here, if you see some of them here, or else I had
Hmm.
very good skin, very very. I never had a pimple in my life.
I know, I've met you. I've met you. We did the passport invasion, remember?
That's what I think I've seen you somewhere. Yes,
Yeah.
so I had good skin, yeah. I had. I don't have it anymore, but
maybe because of the hormonal changes or whatever, whatever. But what I do is the best thing. I'll show you what I do. Wait. Since you've asked me, and since I'm in a balcony, I'll show you. So I have a little plant out there. इतना little भी नहीं है, थोड़ा बड़ा है. See this. You can see this.
Yeah, aloe vera.
एलोवेरा प्लांट्स. तो मैं क्या करती हूँ, जब भी मुझे समझ में नहीं आता है कुछ और जब भी मुझे लगता है 10-15 मिनट्स मेरे पास खाली है, so I just break, like I'll show you. So this is what I've done. This is how I break. छोटा सा ऊपर से I take it, I just put it on my skin and just forget about it. And after like 10-15 minutes or half an hour, I just wash my face. That's the best thing anyone can do. So, yeah,
I'm sure because I think natural products do the best job.
yeah.
Right?
So that's the best thing anyone can do. Take a lot of sun on your skin. People say block the sun, but no, you shouldn't. Early morning sun is good. Water is good. Plants are good for your skin. So that's what I do. I don't do much.
Okay, I'm going to ask you one bubble trouble question, which I ask everyone on these lives. So, if you get a chance to get locked down with your favorite star, who would that be?
Locked down with my favorite star. Can't it be anything except a star or someone?
Yeah, of course. I mean, depends on who you want to be.
Star, then I don't feel that much like for any star, you know what I mean? I would love to lock down with someone who I love. And this is not a star for sure, but the person who I love, I can't name him, but yeah, I would love to be locked down with him.
Oh, I'm so glad that you have love in life. And okay, this is such a cute.
I don't have. It's just a one-sided thing. And I'm just recovering from that. And I think I will very soon.
So, it's so impossible to believe that someone so gorgeous like you is dealing with a one-sided thing, but it's not going to happen that way. I'm sure you're going to get all the love back. I'm sure.
Hopefully, let's see.
So, I also want to ask you one thing. That is, lot of good people are helping animals on the streets by feeding them, and some people are donating food and stuff. कोई कुछ सोशल मैसेजेस सोशल मीडिया पे पोस्ट कर रहा है. So आपने क्या सोचा है? How would you kind of help the world around you feel better?
Being indoors, first thing. अगर बाहर निकलना भी पड़े तो किसी की हेल्प करने के लिए अगर हम निकले तो बहुत अच्छी बात है. And I would like to help those families who are dealing with no groceries and stuff. And I would also like to help stray animals, and especially those animals which has been abandoned on the road. So a lot of people are doing that, but a lot of animals are also suffering because we humans, we can post it on social media, we can ask for help, but animals cannot. So my first preference will go to animals, and then human and human families. So, yeah.
Okay, lovely. I mean, that's really lovely. Okay, next question would be how जैसे हम लोग सब anticipate करते हैं अपने घर पे बैठ के कि ये ना इतनी देर तक चलेगा, ये इतने दिन तक चलेगा. तो आपका क्या anticipation है? कब तक ये कोरोना वायरस चलेगा?
पता नहीं यार, seriously पता नहीं. But this is a question which I can't answer because every time I think कि अब ऐसा होगा और I'm turned down.
उल्टा हो जाता है.
And everyone is being turned down. So, but it's very depressing. People are saying June, July, August. Not really.
So, in terms of going out, which is the place that you're craving to go to the most, and what is the thing that you want to do the most outside?
I wanna party. I wanna go out lounging with my friends. I am missing my girls' night out. And shopping, girls' night out, my work. That's it. These are the three things I'm missing.
Lovely. So I'm sure कि जल्दी ही चला जाए तो then आप ये सब कर सको.
Yeah, hopefully.
So how are you managing to kill time? मतलब जैसे पूरा दिन कैसे काट लेते हो? मैं बहुत बोर होता होगा, I'm sure.
बिल्कुल भी नहीं, मुझे पूरा दिन टाइम भी नहीं मिलता है बोर होने के लिए, तो बहुत दूर की बात, मुझे मेरी अपनी चीजें करने के लिए टाइम नहीं मिलता है. So you forget that I have kids to take care of, and it's very difficult to be around kids and I can't even talk on the phone. Like इस live session के लिए भी मुझे 2-3 दरवाजे पार करके आना पड़ा है मेरी balcony में, and मेरी balcony का दरवाजा बंद है, मेरे room का दरवाजा बंद है, so it is like I have my hands full. I don't have time. Or else
Right,
I would have,
right,
if I would have got time, this much of time, I would have, I don't know what, done what wonders, but I don't get time here.
So, Chad, tell me, see, there are a lot of people who follow you and admire you and, you know, are your fans. And I'm sure कि आपको DMs आते रहेंगे दिन रात, लेकिन आप सबको तो reply नहीं कर सकते. So, whoever's watching right now, tell them how much you really love them today.
बहुत से लोग हैं, कितने लोग हैं जो लाइव पर आए हैं मैं देख भी नहीं पा रही, but yeah, so to a lot of people who are there watching this live, thank you for liking me, thank you for liking me as a person. If you like me, thank you for liking my work, and thank you for hating me also, because even when you hate me, you kind of give me that space in your life, in your head, you know. So really glad that I have so much of support from you all. मैं सबको मैसेज का जवाब नहीं दे सकती हूँ, बट जितने देती हूँ दे सकती हूँ उतने जरूर देती हूँ. So thanks for being around and thanks for your support, and we are whatever we are because of you all. So that's what a very big thing I want everyone to know, that whatever we celebrities, cricketers, we are only because of our fans.
Oh,
Thank
okay. Last question. Last question. I'm gonna trouble you with one last question now. That is, अभी तो obviously we're all locked up for a cause. But ऐसे कभी हुआ है आपके साथ कि आप घर में गलती से चाबी बाहर आप लॉक हो गए हो, या मम्मी ने कभी लॉक कर दिया हो बचपन में? Has that happened?
लास्ट
Tell
ईयर ऐसा
us.
हुआ था कि मेरे घर लॉक हो गया था एंड चाबी घर में रह गई थी एंड वी ऑल वर डाउन. हम तभी फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे रहते थे, सो मैंने फर्स्ट फ्लोर पर किसी तरीके से चढ़कर एंड आई थिंक कटर से वो ग्रिल कट करके, वो जो मस्कीटो वाली ग्रिल होती है, एंड उसको करके आई हैड you know perform that stunt, and I have got inside my house balcony. From there I opened the door. So yeah, I've done that.
Oh my God, that was some adventure you did to get into your own house.
Yeah,
Oh my God. That is so much. It sounds so much fun though. But thankfully, आप घर घुस गए अपने.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay. So, is there anything that you want to say to everyone in terms of staying safe and sound?
Staying fit is in your hand. It is completely your decision towards life कि आपको fit रहना है, fat रहना है, क्या करना है. Fat is also not bad, yeah. Fat is good until and unless you're healthy. So I'm not talking about a particular patent body figure, because beauty is not patent. That's what I believe. So whatever you are, fat, fit, thin, lean, be healthy. You should feel healthy and be indoors, because the more you are indoors, the earlier we are out of this problem. तो बहुत हो गया यार, मतलब बहुत घर बैठ लिया एंड बहुत चीट कर लिया, खुद को भी, गवर्नमेंट को भी, थोड़ा बाहर निकलते, थोड़ा अब once and for all, let's be a little loyal to ourselves inside house, indoors, and once and for all just get rid of this.
Absolutely. That was very well said, Chahat. So, on that note, thank you so much for speaking to us. We really enjoyed the conversation. I hope आपको अच्छा लगा हो हमसे बात करके.
Yes, absolutely. Thanks for having me here, and lots of love to all my people out there, and lots of love and light, and also to you. Stay safe, stay fit, and be indoors.
You too. Stay fit and stay safe. And we hope कि हम आपको जल्दी मिल पाए after the lockdown is done.
Yes, I'll be waiting. Okay, bye.
And then, thank you. Take care. Bye. So, guys, that was Chahat Khanna with us. I hope you all liked the conversation. Also, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, that is Bollywood Bubble. If you haven't already, please go and do that. And घर पे बैठो, safe रहो, हाथ धो, अच्छा खाना खाओ, and wait for me because I'm gonna come back live in a bit. Bye. This was, by the way, this was your host Drishti Pathak signing out.